Welcome to this video tutorial on the opt-out in IUCLID Cloud. In this video, I'm going to describe how to use IUCLID Cloud to create a rich dossier that includes data that has been opted out of a joint submission. First, I will describe the process for a partial opt-out. To opt out a document or endpoint, first access your substance in the Substance Dataset view. Then scroll down to the section 14 Information Requirements. Under Opt-out information for each registration, click on New Document. Next, under Data selected for opt-out, click on New Item. In the open window, under Documents field, choose the documents which you want to opt out. And under Justification field, provide the justification for opting out. Then click Done and save. In case of a full opt-out, you will have to choose all the information provided in your dossier. To create a full opt-out dossier, we would need to switch to IUCLID Client. In the right top corner of the Cloud user interface, click on the button Edit in IUCLID Client. Further login in the IUCLID Client using your IUCLID Cloud credentials. It will automatically direct you to the section 14 in the Substance Dataset view. Switch to the tab Search, where you can find your substance. Right-click on it and choose Create Dossier. In the Dossier Creation wizard, at the first step, select the relevant submission type for the joint submission. Tick the box Use Advanced Settings in the bottom of the Dossier Creation wizard, then click the button Next, and continue forward until you are directed to Verify Selected Documents, in which you can manually include the appropriate documents in the dossier. Under the Entities List panel, we choose our Substance Dataset entity. We can see the list of documents linked to that entity appearing in the References to panel. In the References to panel, you can use the text filter at the top to show only the relevant sections and condense the sections to more easily locate the desired documents. At this stage of dossier creation, make sure to include section 2.1 and all the endpoint study records in sections 4 to 7. Namely the information that would normally have to be submitted jointly as per Article 11. However, some of the sections that are mandatory for a complete dossier are not automatically included in the IUCLID dossier when you use the joint submission member template, which means that some of the documents must be selected manually to be included in the dossier. In particular, section 6 and 7 endpoint summaries are required if you have a full opt-out for Annex 8 or higher. When you select the appropriate documents, you can verify your selection in the bottom panel Final Outcome. Click Next. Then finalize the dossier creation as usual. And in case you are assessing the joint submission using a token provided by the agency, you need to select the checkbox Data Sharing Issues and provide an explanation in the justification field according to the instructions provided by the agency. Click Finish. Now when we go back to Euclid Cloud Substance Dataset view, we can see our opt-out dossier under the tab Dossiers.